Hi, welcome back. Hi guys, what's up? It's Izzy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be doing the video that I saw on a comment and I'm going to be doing it now. It is the Messy Bun tutorial, and if you want to keep watching to see Messy Bun. Now, of course, there are all different types of styles of messy buns, but this one is going to be like a high messy bun, as that's what she requested for me. And a big thing that will help this messy bun, you can just use 2 elastics, or you can use 1 elastic, which is currently in my hair, and a scrunchie. I get my scrunchies from Sports Girl. They're just $10. Asked one for Christmas, as I have a voucher, so I've just gotten 3, and I've used them every day. But if you think they're too expensive, you can always just get one from like Kmart and use it. I'll show you 2 different styles of buns, with this one, and one with this black one, so I can compare what's better quality. Obviously, like Sports Girl one. This one is a lot more worn out. Usually when you buy them, the elastic is not snapped. Also, another thing you might need is brushes. I use a normal brush and a rat tail comb. Yes, it's a rat tail comb, metal comb, whatever you want to call it, and it just helps sleek everything. Another big thing is bobby pins, as just in case there are any hairs you don't like, you can use to secure. So let's get started with the hairstyle. You're going to want to start to put your hair in a high bun, probably not on the crown, but like a little set forward from the crown. If you don't know what the crown is, it is the middle point in your head right here. So when your hair is parted, you go a little bit back and it's right there. We're going to go a little higher on the crown, so let's make this high ponytail. So once you have your hair up where you want it, you want to go twice around, and on the third one, only pull halfway through. Then on the third time, halfway through, and then yoink. This is like a simple half-up messy bun, but we're going to be doing a more advanced version with a scrunchie. Take your ends, set them forward, and wrap them around the base of the bun. Just have them chill like that. Then just take your bun and just start to twist and make a different bun shape. And just start folding it over and make it until you find a bun shape that suits you, and then double knot it. Honestly, this is a very simple hairstyle. You can do it in 5 minutes. And it's not the most secure thing in the world, but it'll definitely stay if you don't go, "Hi guys, how you doing?" And here are the final looks. If you want a tighter version of a messy bun, make a ponytail on the crown of your head. Once you've made a ponytail, take your tighter elastic and begin to twist into a twisty bun. Then you want to just flatten it all out and put the elastic on top. Then, because as you see, like the sides like lifting, instead of this time putting bobby pins on, take a scrunchie and just put it on top. And there's your tidy version of messy bun. Definitely way more secure. Definitely probably looks a little more neater. And if you want to pull out some ear tails, top here. And here's the finished look. bun style, you can use with this type of scrunchie. So first you want to do a simple ponytail. After you've done your ponytail, you want to wrap it around twisty bun with this elastic. Once you've wrapped it around the twisty bun, secure it all in place. Flatten it out, make it look how you want it to. Then add your scrunchie. And there you go. See, even low quality scrunchies, it doesn't look that bad, guys. If you want to make it a little more messier, just take this and lightly use your fingers and push it forward. This is probably definitely my favourite style of bun. Scrunchy though, not so hot. Well, I hope you like this video. I tried my best to find different styles of buns I haven't done on this channel yet. And I hope you liked this video. And if you haven't met her before, this is my cat, Maddie, and we'll say goodbye together like we did in the last video. Bye, friends. No. Actually, my stupid ass just knocked all these pins out. They were nicely and neatly placed out. I'm gonna put them in there like they're a dog pile. Maddie, you just sound it probably went in your ass. Oh. No. Okay, guys, this time I actually closed my bobby pin thing, and this took a solid 5 minutes to try and get back to normal. This bun I'm really happy with, and I hope it helps you make a different messy bun that you'll like for the future. But for now, right now, I have a question for you guys. Would you like me to start Vlogmas tomorrow? Because the video is probably being posted on the 9th. Would you like me to start Vlogmas on the 10th tomorrow or on the 15th? Honestly, it'd be a lot easier if I did on the 15th. It seems like on Instagram everyone wants me to do it on the 10th, which I'm probably not going to even end up doing because that requires a lot of effort. But just for a heads up, I hope you guys watch this video and bye. Love you. Stop.